Good morning, dear students. Today we shall discuss about the second module, video number 8, and the topic for today's discussion is difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Previous class we have seen the various components of digital marketing. Today we shall see the basics or the difference between the two, that is traditional marketing and digital marketing. A question may come for 5 marks saying what do you mean by or differentiate between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. At that point of time these points you all can write. The first difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing is the promotion of product and service through TV, phone, banner, broadcast, door to door, or say sponsorship, etc. In traditional marketing, the promotion activities are done either through banners, broadcast, door to door sponsorships, etc. But in digital marketing, the promotion of the product and services is done through digital media or electronic medium like say social media, websites, SOE, or other digital platforms available for the companies. This is the first differentiation between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. The second difference is traditional marketing is not cost effective. In traditional marketing, the cost involved is very high because for everything you need to design, you need to print, and it need to be pasted or some or the other areas. Wherein again, the tax is involved for the advertisement. If we are putting a holding at say Chennama Circle, then it comes under the area of city corporation. So there the tax it is to be paid to the city corporation. So likewise, here the traditional marketing is not cost effective. The cost involved in traditional marketing is very high. But whereas the digital marketing is more cost effective. The cost involved is less because no need of printing, no need of paying tax on the advertisement or holdings, because here we are sending it through websites, social media, and other things. This is the second point of differentiation. Third point is traditional marketing, it is not good for brand building, but whereas digital marketing, it is efficient and fast for brand building. Because in traditional methods, keeping all the records, tracking, and say managing becomes very difficult for brand building. The same thing, if we use the digital platform, the brand building activities will be very convenient and effective. So the digital marketing is preferably good for say brand building. Then next point of difference is traditional marketing is difficult to measure. If we want to measure the success of the advertisement, or say if we want to measure the response of the market after our advertisement or appeal, it becomes very difficult in traditional methods. But the same thing if we want to do in a digital way, then the softwares and other things will make us very easy for calculating the responsiveness. So this is the fourth point of differentiation between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. Then the channels or the things included in traditional marketing includes television advertisement, radio, banners, broadcast, sponsorship, print ads, flyers, wall painting, etc., etc., which are more costlier, which becomes difficult, time consuming, etc., etc. But whereas on the same way, when we consider digital marketing, The channels of digital marketing includes SEO, that is search engine optimization, then PPC means pay per click advertisement, web design, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, etc. etc. So, these are the points of differentiation between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. If you have any questions, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. This question will be coming for 5 marks, wherein you are supposed to write the differentiation between the digital marketing and traditional marketing. With this, we shall stop here. Please, if you have any doubts, feel free to contact me and get the doubts cleared, because this time the time span given is very less for your completion of syllabus. Within that stipulated period, we are supposed to complete the syllabus. So please cope up, and if you have any doubts, get it cleared. So with this, we shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.